everyone, respected sir, my fellow classmates, and all our well-wishers who are watching us on our YouTube channel. My name is Hepzibah, and today I'm going to talk about the topic. Okay, so first question was that coachings are like a business or not? So exactly that, if you're doing something, even it would be a school, hospital, anything, any management, if you're doing something related to management, we have to get the profit. Like if we are giving the students the basic education and the needed education, we also have to get the profit from that. Otherwise, then why will we just open up something for free? It's not something. It's also a business. Everything like going around us are business. Like coachings are also related to management, so it's a business, but we are also providing education, then only we are getting paid for that. The second question was that why children are not focusing on single education. The thing would be that in many of the schools that only few students who are not, teachers have to explain them more than twice or thrice to get them understand. So some of the students, major of the students are introverts, so they are not, they don't have the guts to ask the teachers, can you explain me once, twice or twice, and the teacher has to focus on many of the kids. But in tuitions and coaching centers, he could individually interact with the teacher and he could easily understand him what exactly is it about. Yes.
Then what you will say about Khan sir? He is teaching almost I think 500 to 600 students
yes.
at one batch.
Yes.
So
exactly, let me tell you that it's a big institute or big education center. So exactly, it's half to the model of a school. So I'm not saying that, but the 600 of the students, they could easily go to ask their teacher that, sir, can you explain me thrice, four, how much time you want, you can. But in school, they have the minimalized time. They have, I think, 35 to 40 minutes only for a particular period. But in tuition center, it's not like that. You could, ask thrice or 4 times. You can ask how much time you want exactly.
Do you think he is managing 500, 600 students at a time?
I don't think so, like he's doing writing or not. Maybe, yeah, I think, I don't know much about cancer or whatever. So what I wanted to say is, like, we are saying only one side. Like, you also know him by social media only, right? You also know him by seeing his videos and stuff. We don't know, like, if he have many more teachers or not. We haven't seen more teachers or not, right? So we cannot justify that. Yes.
But I think he is handling by himself only. He is teaching by himself.
I don't know much about him, so. Yeah. So it's, like addiction. You know about addiction? Like if you use something for some time and like if you're like using it for a particular time or something, like you want to get more and more, like money. Like we all want more and more money. Exactly, social media is like that. If you get, only 1 hour, 2 hour, you'll say, okay, another 1 hour, 2 hour, what will happen to me? Nothing. But that 1 hour, 2 hour is leading into, mislead life and ahead your time. So it's just because of the addiction.
But then social media is not available because the children, they are only focused on book. They focus on our areas.
Yes, I have told you, right, that everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. That's why I was asking you to minimalize the use. Like when you will minimalize, you would get to, to play in our soil and get connected to nature and all the people around us. You would get to know what the reality is. Yes. Anything else?